Welcome. Today I will carefully show you how to download and install the Tor browser on your computer step by step so everyone can follow easily. First, we open Google in the browser and type the official website address, which is torproject.org. Then we press Enter to go to the page. Now you can see the purple Tor Project homepage. We click on the large button in the middle that says Download Tor Browser. On the next page, we choose the correct operating system. Since this computer is using Windows, we click on Download for Windows. A small window appears asking where to save the file. We click the Save button and wait a little while the download finishes. When the download is complete, we open the downloaded file. A small window asks us to select the language. We keep English selected and click OK. Next, we see the installation window. We leave the default folder as it is and click the Install button. Now we wait patiently while Tor browser is being installed on the computer. You can see the green progress bar moving. After a short time, the installation finishes. We keep both options selected and click the Finish button. Tor browser opens automatically. On the first screen, we click the big purple Connect button to join the Tor network. Please wait a few seconds while the connection is being established. When the screen changes and shows connected, it means everything is ready. Now you can browse the internet privately and safely with Tor browser. That is the complete process. You have successfully downloaded, installed,